I bring you greetings, men of goodwill. I want make you send this video to every security agency in Nigeria, especially the military and the police. Bro, you see, this matter day now, and I see as Nigeria be now, make all the things say everybody for the country dey against you now. Because normally now, as the country dey now, 95% of the youth they are against you people, especially those from the south. Now listen, I have one advice for you guys. See, I have you guys at heart because last all of us will be human being. But see, bro, you see Nigeria, no waste your life for Nigeria. Brother, Nigeria is not worth dying for. No waste your life for Nigeria. I know why I'm telling you this, guy. Because these people where they try call of the kill of no get human hearts. All we had America, no be something go come they do. You don't know how many they are. No waste your life for Nigeria. You yourself, you are working to protect Nigeria. But the people you are working to protect as a police officer don't like you. They are not seeing themselves as the same citizen with you. Understand these facts now. You are working to protect Nigeria. You are a good Nigerian. The same people you are working to protect are cursing you. They are praying for you to die because they are not seeing themselves as Nigerians. Understand this simple trick. You are only working for the sake of the corrupt politician. That same person will go tell you, say, when you go street, go kill people. In children, they abroad, they school. Oga, your own children, they for the place where the roof they leak. You they shut up NEPA, me they shut up NEPA. But your own children, no they shut up NEPA. Oga, reason no. Now advice I they give you now. Make una no waste una life. Last, all of una be our brothers. You understand? There is no point going about working for corrupt people. Those people asking you to come down here are the real criminals. So I gotta take your gun and shoot them first. Do you understand? They have embezzled this country money. If all those people fix this country, brother, there will not be need for agitation. I won't make you reason. I no hate any of you, but I won't make you reason. Understand? Forget say these people they do am this way, they do it that way. Those people asking you to go and kill people, to go and kill youth, they are the cause why this country is like this. You voted for them, they went there, they mess it up. The youth voted for them as well, they went there, they mess it up. If they had done what they should have done, brother, there will not be need for agitation. No. Now, candidate advice that they give all of you now. No, they listen to them. You see all these corrupt governors. If they ask you to go and kill, or take your gun and shoot them first, they are the real terrorists. One day, if you come out to kill the youth and all of a sudden you get killed, tomorrow they go employ another police officer. They not go even compensate your own family. They not go compensate your family. Ask yourself this question, bro. How many military men, when you don't lose as a military man, how many of your friends are being compensated? Their families are being compensated very, very well. Check it very, very well. How many of your friends, where you follow goes and beats or follow go anywhere, are the government of Nigeria taking real good care of their family? How many of them? You are dying for someone who has over $3 billion abroad. Abi? You want to die for someone who stole the country dry, who will never go poor, his generation see poverty in this life. You are going to die for him. Because this is the mentality of the masses now. They are seeing you people as the people working for politicians. They are not even seeing you people as the people working for them. Understand this very well now. I am not asking you to resign, no, because I'm not going to pay you. But I am asking you to engage your brain. Okay, engage your brain. It is better for everyone to suffer once. Last, we go enjoy it. Nigeria no dey good. Nigeria cannot be good. Nigeria is unworkable. Understand this simple trick. When they ask you to go and kill, remember, the people you are going to kill have already decided to die. And do you know the one funny thing? They believe that if they die for their masses and they die for their land. They are dying with pride. You yourself, are you going to die for governor? Where bank money abroad, they suffocate you. How much they pay you? Reason all of us they suffer together. Last, when go carry jeep, go food for a compound, you yourself go see your own family, pay house rents. Remember the amount when they pay you. Now candidate advice be this, so I never hate any of you. But the thing be said, the way when I take they die, they pay me. If they pay me, retrace your steps. Now these guys, when they ask you to come streets, come keep people, now them put this country like this. If they be repair this country, there will be no need for agitation of anything. Everybody for don't enjoy. then they go abroad, they treat themselves abroad, they do everything abroad. But the people wey get that abroad, that they come here, they do all those things wey they go that they do. No American politician or European politician go fit come here, come back in money, but then they steal you and I money. They go abroad, they go come give you gun, say make you come kill other people, say that them be your problem. Oga reason o. When they send you, cock your trigger, shoot them first. Tell them say oga you fail. This to say you get am well, there will be no need for this. Na confirm advice be this o. If una like make una take am, if una like make una no take am. As Nigeria dey now, everybody dey boil. Everybody know there is no joy on the land. There is no joy. You understand? I dey feel for you wey be say my brothers wey dey for military and wey dey for police. I dey feel because I get so many friends for that place. I dey feel for una. If una like make una take this advice. If una like make una throw am away. I don talk my own finish. The zoo must fall. Nigeria is not a place to live. The earlier all of you understand this, the better for us. Udo.